This video is all about new words. In this video, we will learn some new words with their meaning. First word is adventure. And meaning of adventure is an exciting experience or a dangerous activity. Generally, when we do something or an activity which is dangerous is said to be adventurous. Let's take an example. Tom and Jerry likes adventure. We know Tom and Jerry, the cartoon animations, they always do something adventurous which is dangerous. So we can say that Tom and Jerry likes adventure. Next example is the ride was adventurous. Generally, when we go to any park and we ride something which is dangerous, then we call it as an adventurous. Next word is wonderful. And meaning of wonderful is extremely good. Something that happens which is very good, then we call it as wonderful. Let's take an example. What a wonderful story. For example, we read a story and we like that story very much. Then we call, oh, what a wonderful story it was. You did a wonderful job. When someone got prize for the activity he or she had done, then we call that you did a wonderful job. Next word is avoid. Meaning of avoid is try not to do something. Let's take an example. She has to avoid eating junk food. When we used to say no to any activity or anything, then we can say that we need to avoid it. Okay, for example, she has to avoid eating junk food. It means that the girl who is eating junk food needs to avoid it. Next example is she avoids me. When somebody is not talking to you, then you can say she is avoiding me. Next word is curious, and meaning of curious is wanting to know or learn something. Let's take an example. I am curious to know what is inside the parcel. Something that we want to know, then we use the word curious. We are curious to go outside. It means when we want to go outside, so we can say that we are very happy and we are curious, excited to go outside. Last word is arrange. And meaning of arrange is to put something in order. Let's take an example. I will arrange a meeting. When we are going to make a meeting with somebody, then we can say that I will arrange a meeting. She likes to arrange her books. When we keep our book in a proper way, then we can say that I am arranging my books, or she likes to arrange her books. So, this is all in this video.